Hello everyone. This is our third assignment of subject Human Computer Interaction under the guidance of Dr. Nidhi Lal ma'am. And in this assignment we have to make project for creating Alexa of IIIT Nagpur that will tell any information regarding its history, department, students and many more using speech recognition module. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Anshika Jain and these are my team members Rekha Pal, Riya Mehre and Ritik Nageshwar. I have also mentioned their corresponding enrollment number. So let's begin with our project. For our project, we have used Jupyter Notebook. For creating this project, I have to install certain Python packages using pip command. So I have already installed these Python packages in my laptop. First, I have imported GTTS. It is used for supporting the text as well as speech and it does mapping over them. Second, I have imported PyTTSX3. It is used to recognize the speech and convert it into text as well as vice versa, which means it recognizes the text and convert it into speech so that our system will be able to speak in the form of computer. Third, I have imported speech recognition module. Fourth, I have imported web browser. So moving on further, I have defined a dictionary which have 7 key and value pairs. So here you can see history, department, faculty, student, placement, etc. are keys. So accordingly, I will use this as an answer to the following questions asked. Now, what I have done here is using speech recognition module, I have initialized two recognizers, SRC and R. Moving further, I have defined a method called speak. It takes one input as a string. In this method, we will use PyTTSX3 module, which I have already imported and said it helps to convert text into speech. In this, init method is used to initializing the module. And then the same method of that module is used to pass the input. And then run and wait method will help to run the function until it finishes its speech and it will wait for it and then it terminates. So moving on further, the another method which I have defined is solution method. It also takes one input, that is string. This is the main method of our code. Initially, the answer is nothing. Answer is our variable which is an empty string. Now, as incoming string to the solution class consists of text, so it checks if the text consists the following words in our question like history, departments, faculty. So if our question is like how many numbers of students are there in IIIT Nagpur, so it will go in this if loop and do the following as instructed. I have stored all its answer in the variable known as answer. And then finally I have called the speak method so that it can speak whatever the answer is stored in the dictionary. Now this whole thing works under the while loop so that our Alexa will always listen to us. In this try block, SR is the speech recognizer module. With that, I have initialized microphone as source. So microphone takes index, but here you can see I have not given any index, that means none, so that our default recording device of my laptop will be initialized and put in the source variable. Now what I have done is use the SRC recognizer. And with this SRC recognizer, I have called adjust for ambient noise. This I have done because there are noises in the surrounding. So this function will reduce the noise and its duration is 0.2. And then I have printed call me Alexa so that user knows that the name of this is Alexa. Now I have initialized audio variable with src.listen method and it starts listening to the source. Source is our microphone. Phase limit I have set to 5 seconds. This means if we don't talk a single word after 5 seconds, it will stop listening to us. Now then, I have initialized the query variable. In query variable, I will use Google Recognize method. This means that recognizer is using Google as its source to recognize the audio. This is inbuilt method in which you have to pass audio. So query will have the output from the Google, that is the text, whatever you spoke will be converted into this text and it will be stored in the query variable. Then I have printed the query. So whatever I say, it will be printed so that we can check if we have said it correctly. So in this part, if I called hey Alexa, then only it will come in this if loop. And then again it will speak, welcome to IIIT Nagpur's Alexa, how can I help you, using the speak method which we have defined above. This is the speak method which we have defined above. Now again one more recognizer I have used and I have adjusted the noise and printed listening as done above. Then again one more variable for audio. And with the second recognizer again, we have called listen method which listens the same source again. So whenever I speak, hey Alexa, it will respond, welcome to IIIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you? And then whatever I speak, it will be stored in audio one variable. Like the another question I asked, how many faculty members are there in IIIT Nagpur CSE department? Again, I have initialized one more variable known as query1. It is similar to query variable. And then whatever I speak will be again recognized by Google. And then it will be stored in query1 variable. And the final step is sending this string or whatever we speak in the query1 which is stored to the solution method. So we have written solution query1. So what the solution method do is, it finds the solution that if we say what is the hostel condition of IIIT Nagpur. So it will go in this if loop and answer accordingly. So it is answer equal to answers hostel. So it will go in dictionary, check hostel. Hostel is the key here. So it will return there is a separate hostel for girls and boys. If something goes wrong, then I have written except block which will pass some of the errors like request error, unknown value error and wait and timeout error, and I have passed it. Now I will show you the demo for this project. So we need to go to cell, run all. Hey Alexa.
Welcome to IIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you?
What is the history of IIIT Nagpur?
Indian Institute of Information Technology, Nagpur, Thirton, has started functioning in the year 2016 to 17.
Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa.
Welcome to IIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you?
How many faculty members are there in CS department?
There are 10 faculty members in CS department and currently Dr. Jeevan Prathamkar is head of CS department.
Hey Alexa.
Welcome to IIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you?
What are the placement statistics in IIIT Nagpur CSE department?
In the year 2019 to 2020, 83.33% of CSE department students were placed.
Hey Alexa,
Welcome to IIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you?
how many number of students are there in IIIT Nagpur?
Currently, there are about 1,000 plus students.
Hey Alexa,
Welcome to IIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you?
how many number of departments are there in IIIT Nagpur?
There are 3 departments in Theraton: Basic Science, Computer Science, Electronics.
Now, if we say anything else, then hey Alexa, it will not listen to us. For example,
Welcome to IIT Nagpur's Alexa. How can I help you?
hello Heli. See, I have asked the wrong question and Heli is not there in anywhere in my dictionary. So again it has said, call me Alexa, like hello Heli. Hello Heli. See, it is not listening to me and giving me whatever I am saying so that I can correct it, and it is telling call me Alexa. In this way, this project works, and we can ask we can ask questions related to history, department, faculty, students, placement, hostel, and fees. In this way, it correctly works on only saying hey Alexa. If I say any other thing, it will not listen to me. So thank you.